In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate daily and monthly interest on Binance savings. Whether you're new to Binance or just looking to optimize your savings strategy, understanding how to calculate your interest is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Binance app. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Earn section. This will be your gateway to making your assets work for you. Under Earn, you'll find Simple Earn. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now you'll see a variety of coins available for savings. Carefully pick the coin you're interested in saving with. It's important to select a coin that aligns with your investment goals and research the potential risks associated. Once you've chosen the coin, the next step is to identify the annual percentage rate, or APR. This is essentially the interest rate you'll earn over the course of a year. For instance, you might see an APR of 5%. This number will be vital for calculating your daily and monthly interest. Now let's get into the math part, which is easier than it sounds. To calculate the daily interest, you'll use a simple formula. Multiply the amount of the asset you are saving by the APR and then divide by 365. This division accounts for every day of the year, giving you a daily interest rate. So if you have a $1,000 investment with an APR of 5%, your daily interest would be approximately $1,000 times 5%, all divided by 365. Moving forward, to find out your monthly interest, take your calculated daily interest amount and multiply it by 30. This will give you an estimated monthly interest amount, which can help you plan your finances more effectively. It's important to remember, however, that these calculations are based on average daily rates and may slightly vary depending on market conditions. One crucial thing to note is that if you're using flexible savings, interest is typically added to your Binance wallet daily. This means you get to enjoy the fruits of compound interest as your interest itself begins to earn interest. It's one of the advantages of flexible savings, offering more frequent compounding compared to traditional savings methods. Always keep your eyes on the market and stay adjusted to any changes or updates in your savings terms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to calculating daily and monthly interest on Binance savings. By following these steps, you'll be in a better position to understand your potential earnings and manage your investments more effectively. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, smart investing requires both knowledge and constant learning. Until next time, happy investing with Binance.